Infinite Solutions, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, thank you.
Imagine a cruise ship 5 times bigger than Titanic. That's the icon of the seas for you. This isn't just a ship, it's a floating city, a testament to human creativity and ambition. The conception of the icon of the seas has sparked a wave of excitement across the globe. It's not just about the size, although that's impressive enough. This is the most anticipated vessel in the history of Royal Caribbean, a company known for its innovative and luxurious cruise experiences. The icon of the seas isn't just set to break records, it's already smashing them. Even before its maiden voyage, it's become the best-selling product in Royal Caribbean's history. Now that's saying something. This isn't just a ship, it's a game changer, a new standard in cruise travel. And when it comes to size, well, the icon of the seas is in a league of its own. It's set to be the world's largest cruise ship, a floating marvel that will dwarf even the most impressive of its predecessors. This isn't just a big ship, it's a giant, a behemoth, a titan of the seas. As we anticipate its launch in 2024, let's delve into what makes this megaship truly iconic. From its impressive size to its luxurious amenities, the icon of the seas is a game changer. Imagine a world where the tallest slide at sea, a water park that rivals those on land, and an obstacle course known as the Crown's Edge are all part of your vacation. Well, that's exactly what the icon of the seas offers. This ship packs a punch when it comes to entertainment, with a water park that will make you forget you're in the middle of the ocean, and the Crown's Edge, a rope and obstacle course that will test your agility and courage. But where the icon of the seas truly shines is in its 7 pools. Yes, you heard that right, 7. Each pool offers a unique experience, from the largest at sea to an infinity pool that merges with the horizon, making you feel as if you're swimming in the open ocean. And let's not forget about the dining options. The icon of the seas offers a variety of venues to satisfy every palate. Craving sushi? There's a grab-and-go sushi counter. Looking for a more indulgent experience? The Empire Supper Club offers an 8-course menu featuring luxurious items such as caviar and wagyu. Now, if you're wondering where you'll be resting after indulging in all these activities, the icon of the seas has 28 different stateroom categories to choose from. But the one that truly stands out is the ultimate family townhouse. This 3-floor marvel, which costs a cool $75,000 a week, features a slide, a theater, and a terrace. It's a mini mansion on the high seas. With its vast array of amenities and accommodations, the icon of the seas redefines luxury and entertainment at sea. As 2024 draws near, the world waits with bated breath for the icon of the seas to set sail. This is not merely the launch of a ship, but a momentous occasion that marks the dawn of a new era in cruising. The icon of the seas, a stellar marvel of human innovation, is ready to embark on its maiden voyage, and the anticipation is palpable. The demand for a place on this historic journey has been staggering. The maiden voyage is almost sold out, demonstrating the excitement and high expectations surrounding this monumental debut. This is not surprising considering that the icon of the seas is touted as the best-selling product in Royal Caribbean's history. The construction of this behemoth has been nothing short of a Herculean task. The project, estimated to cost over $2 billion, is nearing completion, with parts of the ship already starting to resemble the dazzling renderings released back in 2022. The sheer scale of the undertaking, the meticulous attention to detail, and the groundbreaking features incorporated into the design are testament to the ambitious vision behind the icon of the seas. But it's not just about the size or the cost. The real value of the icon of the seas lies in the experiences it promises to offer. From the adrenaline rush of the tallest water slide at sea to the tranquility of the largest pool, from the culinary delights of 40 different dining options to the luxurious comfort of diverse stateroom categories, every aspect of the icon of the seas is designed to create unforgettable moments. As we count down the days to the launch, it's clear that the icon of the seas is more than just a ship. It is a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition, a testament to our constant pursuit of new horizons. It is a promise of the future, a glimpse into what cruising could be in the days to come. The icon of the seas, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, is set to make waves in the world of cruising come 2024.
Infinite Solution has no borders or walls, just adventure and education. Please let us know your thoughts.